So the directions say to graph this equation, but not to use a function table. So first, what you need to do is figure out what the slope is. So I know the formula, the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, m, that's the slope. So m is right here. So a half, that's the slope. And then the y-intercept, well, that's b, which is at the end, a -4. And then to graph it, what you do is you start with b, the y-intercept, because that's the starting place. So b, the y-intercept, is -4. So over here on the y-axis, I find -4. So I'm going to go down 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and put a point. And then I can go ahead, because I have a starting place, I can go ahead and look at the slope. So remember that the slope is a fraction, and the numerator is how many to go up or down, and the denominator is how many spaces to the right. So here I have 1, so I'll go up 1 because it's positive, and then 2 to the right. So up 1 and right 2. 1 and to the right 2. And I'll put a dot, and then I'll just repeat it again and again and again. So up 1 and over 2. Up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. Up and over, up and over. And then finally what you do is you draw a line. At home you should be using a ruler. Here I have a tool. Here's the second example, and I want you to do this one on your own. So first, the slope, that's right here, the -2. But remember, slope is a fraction, so on the denominator, I'm just going to put a 1. And then the y-intercept is +3. So over here on the graph, I'm going to remind you here, first start with the y-intercept and put a dot, and then use the fraction, the slope, and then the numerator is a -2, so you go up or down, and the 1 is to the right one place. So you graph it, and then tomorrow we'll check and